Alright, so once again, requesting everyone to please be ready and be back at the venue right now since we are about to begin the afternoon session for the first ever Cacao Congress and the fourth Cacao Festival. Once again, inviting everyone to please be ready, for we are about to begin the afternoon session of today's Bicol Cacao Congress and of course the fourth Cacao Festival. So this is a collaborative undertaking of the Department of Agriculture, Bicol Region, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Department of Trade and Industry Region 5, Bicol Cacao Industry Council, and of course, the Department of Agriculture, ATI Bicol. So we are now 1 o'clock p.m. and any moment we will be starting with our afternoon session and we will be gladly welcoming our very special guest this afternoon.
So once again, to all our participants who are not yet here inside the venue, we kindly request you to please get inside, for we're about to start the program.
Once again, may we invite everyone to please settle down for we are about to begin the afternoon session. Thank you. And of course, just another good news for everyone. We will still be having another round a round of raffle draw later on. So stay tuned and stay of the session. Thank you. Alright, so at this point, we will be having a roll call for delegation per province. So where are the participants coming from the province of Albay? Yan. Kompleto na po ba? Alright.
Ayan,
So we will
Miss
now be
Adele.
proceeding with another province.
Taas kamay at hiyawan from the province of Camarines Norte.
Yan. Yung may palakpak na nakapag-lunch naman po sana.
Parang hindi nyo po na-enjoy yung gulay at yung chicken with the crab soup.
Alright, so we will now be proceeding to our home base, the province of Camarines Sur. Ang lakas! Thank you. Thank you, hindi nyo kami pinahiya.
And now we
Alright.
proceed. Where are the delegates from the province of Sorsogon?
Oh.
Hello! Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. And of course, where are the delegation from the province of Masbate? Oh, nairaos naman, sir, no? And of course, kasi, di ba, we really appreciate the effort of all of you and especially those MSMEs coming from the island provinces. Iba yung biyahe pag may tubig na, di ba?
Especially that our weather, Miss Madel, ay mukhang hindi masyadong nakikisama. And good
Yeah.
thing that they arrived here safely. And last but not the least, syempre nandito rin ang ating mga participants and delegates from Catanduanes.
Yan. So, hello, hello.
Yes. So if ever may mga kasama po pa kayo na wala pa rito, you may contact them to please proceed here at the venue dahil magsisimula na po tayo for our afternoon session.
Alright, so before that, let's do an energy level check. When I say energy level, you say check, alright? Just to check if you're ready for this afternoon session. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, energy level.
Check!
Kulang pa. Energy level? Energy level?
Check! Ako naman, Miss Madel, I'd like to
Alright.
check if ready na sila. So when I say ready na, you say aha, aha. Ready na, ready na? Ready na, ready na? Yan,
Alright.
they are
Grabe
very
naman yung
much
aha.
ready.
Parang naamoy na nila yung katabi nila.
Basta hopefully na nag-toothbrush naman siguro yung mga...
Alright, so just kidding because we are making this afternoon session a little bit lighter since we are very much excited to hear and of course learn from the experts when it comes to the topic that we've already mentioned earlier.
Yes, and I guess our speakers for our afternoon session are almost complete na. Yes, and we're just waiting to our special guest before we formally start our program.
Yeah, so at this juncture, may we now request everyone to please settle down as we are about to begin the afternoon session. Thank you very much. Alright, so everyone may request all of you to please settle down now, for we are about to begin the afternoon session. Alright, so just marayang hapon po giraray sa inyo gabos, and welcome to the first ever Bicol Cacao Congress and the 4th Cacao Festival with the theme Our Journey and Beyond, Advancing Cacao Innovation and Agribusiness for Empowered and Resilient Bicol Cacao Industry. And once again, I'm Adele Alcar of DTI Camarines Sur Region 5.
And I am Emmy Jane Malonzo from the Department of Agriculture, Bicol Region.
And at this point, we are very much excited for you to learn from the sessions this afternoon, since we have a lot in store for you. And
yes, so indeed, Miss Madel, the morning sessions gave us so much insight and inspiration. And as we continue with our journey with more in-depth discussions and knowledge sharing that will help shape the future of our cacao industry.
all right, but before we proceed, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the City Mayor of the City Government of Naga. A big round of applause, please, to Honorable Maria Leonor Herona Robredo. So earlier this morning, we heard a lot of messages of support and commitment for the development and growth of the cacao industry here in Bicol Region. And at this point, we would be glad to hear another message of support. So it is my great honor to introduce to you a woman whose name has become synonymous with service, integrity, and compassion. She is a public servant who has dedicated her life to championing inclusive development, empowering communities, and uplifting the marginalized. She served as the 14th Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines and currently the first female mayor of the City Government of Naga. So please join me, everyone, in welcoming with a resounding round of applause, please, to Honorable Mayor Maria Leonor Herona Robredo.
Maraming na hapon. Before I proceed, let me first greet the officials who are with us this afternoon. Dr. Ramona Isabel Ramirez, overall chair of the first Cacao Congress and the 4th Cacao Festival. Director Rodel Tornilla, nandito ba si RD? Umalis na. Honorable Dindo Nabol, Regional Director of DTI, Ms. Claudia Esmeralda Honrado, Chairperson of RAFC and Bicol Cacao Sectoral Committee, Honorable Elsa Parot, Director of DA ATI 5, all the guests, participants, and speakers who are present, PD Christy Rivera, Provincial Director of of DTI Camarines Norte and Regional Cacao Coordinator. Sa Indo po gabos, maray na hapon giraray. Maray na hapon. Pigulit ko masakit ang oras kan sa kuyang pagtaram. Pero mabalos na maray for making me part of the first Cacao Cacao Congress here in Naga. Mabalos po sa pagdara kang Congress digdiyo. Kabali po sa ang apod mi kaya 2028 finish lines. Kang pagtukaw ko bilang Mayor Naga, nagtao kami ning 8 na 2028 finish lines to achieve inclusive ang finish lines iyon is a 3-year development plan kan sa mong administrasyon. And saro duman sa finish lines to achieve inclusive and thriving economy. Kampig di-discuss mi itong how to achieve inclusive and thriving economy. Nakapira po kami ning mga pag-urulay with the officials, si mga department heads sa City Hall, si mga sectoral representatives. Pag pinag-uulayan, ano ba, what would bring an inclusive and thriving economy? Pero may siyang nahuhulog sa, are we helping our farmers enough? Dahil paminsan nalilingawan ta, paminsan kaya pag pigde-define ta what progress is, ang naiisip ta, ito mga visible. May mga bagong buildings, magagayo na mga dumanan, pero perming nalilingawan kung si pagsukol kung ang progress ba talaga inclusive. Pag sinabi tang ang progress inclusive, halimbawa sa Naga, pag hiniling mo si Darakulang Mall sa Manila, yaon naman digdi. Ano? Kadakol ang mga bago na nahihiling, pero pag hinapot, ang dapat ang perming kasunod na hapot, si pagbabago ba digdi yun, naging inclusive ba? Buot sabihon, nag-redound ba siya to the benefit of the least? Minsan ang simbag dai, nakakamundo yan. Pag sinabing ang simbag dai siya inclusive, pero may kayong susukulon mo, nagmaray ba si quality of life? Nagmaray ba si purchasing power ka mga tao digdi? Nagbaba ba si poverty incidence? Nagbaba ba si unemployment rate? Paminsan nalilingawan kang gobyerno magsukol. Kaya kan si pagtukaw may permiming sinasabi, di kita magibo ning anything na di ita masusukol. And pag sinabi tang gusto ta inclusive and thriving economy, dapat ang bawat peso na pigi-investa sa kung ano man na activity, dapat ang returns kayan, ang ma-benefit, bako lang si mga negosyante, bako lang si mayaman, pero si pinakasaradit. Pag-arog na kayan ang urulay, perminang nahuhulog sa papaano ba tinatabangan si Satuya mga farmers. So, perming ang urulay nangunyan sa City Hall, papaano ba ang gobyerno lokal kang Naga matatabangan si mga nagtataranom? Pinag-uulayan circular economy. Pag sinabing circular economy, kadakol binabakal ang Naga ning produce, halimbawa perming nananaw ang syudad ning bagas. Ano? Just last year ang binakal kang syudad 23 million worth na bagas. Pero ang hapot kisay tayan binakal. Nag-benefit pa si Saradit ng mga parauma dahil nagbakal kita ng 23 million worth o bagas o baka ang nag-benefit si mga darakula ng negosyante. So ngunyan, digdi ako ta, dipisil pa rin hababa, garo mata ko sa nahihiling nindo. Garo si consciousness na dapat pag nagagastos kita, nagbe-benefit si Saradit. So, maswerte kita na igwa kitang mga batas. Ano? Na pigpuprotehiran yan. Ansaro kayan, si haloy ng batas na daing gayo ginagamit, itong Sagip Saka Act, na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan ang author, yaon na siya, pero unfortunately, di siya na ma-maximize. Tapos ngunyan, itong bago-bagang si mga taga-gobyerno digdi, si bago-bagang procurement law, igwanang sarong mode na dapat community ang nakikinabang, pwedeng gamiton. Pero having said that, ano ang relevance kayan sa pag-urulay tangunyan? Dahil ang cacao farming, dakulaon na opportunity na siguro, di ko man masasabing untap, pero siguro di ita na ma-maximize. Halimbawa, nagkaigwa kami ni mga bisita digdiyo na mga Pilipino na businessmen hali sa Canada. Igwasin ng negosyo ng cacao farming sa Davao. Extensive ang negosyo ninda, nagbabakal sinda hali sa Davao. Pero ang sinasabi ninda, di mi ngay maintindihan na ang quality ngay digdi sa Bicol kang cacao mas maray. Pero ang cacao farming digdi bako siya ang kasing popular, bako siya ang kasing thriving kumpara sa ibang lugar. Kang nasa Congress ako, hain na to si Miss Quezon. Kang nasa Congress ako, naging barkada ko sa Congress si Governor Helen Tan. Congressman pa lang siya at that time. Pinupunan niya si support sa cacao farmers. Nangalas ako in no time, nagpo-produce na katong tangerine chocolates na sa mga pinaka-favorite ko sa gabus. Nakadakol ng ibang variety. Tapos ngunyan naaraman ko, tadadigdiyo pala ang nagpo-produce. Pero Quezon ang nakabalandra. So kung kaya ninda, tagadigdingani sa tuya, saro sa mga architects kayan, ano tadai kita makabuelo. Although si Ed, may regalo sa kuko niya na tsokolate. Pero gustong sabihon, si platform para maging thriving na crop siya digdiyo sa to. Saka maging thriving na economy yaon. With the right amount of support, si cacao farmers pwede talagang mag-reach new heights. Nagkaigo akong opportunity to have dinner with Sekiko, I think last month. Pigsabi niya na priority kang DA ang cacao farming. So sa kuya, maugmang bareta. Siguro lalo na sa Indo, na mga cacao farmers, arog man kaya ng istorya kang gobyerno, kang partnership kang gobyerno sa kang private sector, di ba? Ang private sector siya sinagahanap ng mga paagi na paglalagan kan sa iyang kakayahan, pero ang gobyerno dapat nag-open doors. Tapos nagpo-provide ng opportunities para mag-thrive si mga Ayan, senyal na tong matapusong ko na. Halawig na. Pero, iyon na ni si last na message. Siguro iyan ang dahilan kung taano yung kita mo niya na hapon. Siguro on the part of government, on the part of DA, sa kasi mga partner agencies, DTI also, garo assurance sa Indo na yaon ng gobyerno para tabangan ka mo. Pero pagpagirumdum din sa gobyerno na dakulaan sa to yung responsibility to make sure na nagbubukas kita ni mga pintuan for the opportunities that are available. Tapos duman sa mga nagsampa, duman sa mga nag-invest, masiguro ta na nahahandhold ta sinda hanggang katapusan. Having said that, si mga cacao farmers na yaon digdi, ina-assure ta sinda, di ba? Si mga government representatives digdi, ina-assure ta sinda na aalalayan ka mo every step of the way. Aram ta na pag nagmaray ka mo, si multiplier effect kayan, nakula. Bako lang sa mga families tindo, pero arag man ba kayan sa tuya, pag kaipuhan lang may magpuon. Tapag may nagpuon na naging successful ka mo, may masurunod na. Kaya si wish ko lang, sana lalo pang mag-thrive ang cacao industry digdi sa Bicol region. Nagpapasalamat kita sa gabos na mga opisina na nagtatarabang sa satuyang cacao farmers. Ang gobyerno lokal po Naga, yaon lang para magtabang. In whatever form, basta po kami all-out support kung kinakaipuhan ang samuntabang. So sa liwat, congratulations to everyone who are behind ini yung pag-urulay tangon yan. Maray na hapon po, giraray, mabuhay po ka magabos.
Alright, so just mabalos po, Mayor Lenny Robredo, for your encouraging and inspiring words this afternoon for the first Bicol Cacao Congress and the 4th Cacao Festival. And of course, Mayor, for your people-centered and impact-driven leadership to Naga City.
Spot on, Miss Madel. And yan, thank you very much po, Mayor, for helping us realize that indeed attaining an inclusive and thriving economy is about helping our farmers. Lalo na po sa tuyang mga sadit na parao masiring man ang satuyang mga parasira.
Yes, indeed, collaboration is the key to deliver impactful results to our micro, small, medium enterprises and of course to the industry stakeholders of the cacao industry.
And of course, our gratitude as well for the call of support of Mayor Lenny in order to reach new heights para sa ating mga cacao sector and cacao farmers. So she assured that our farmers will be guided and supported along the way by our government. So once again, mabalos po, Mayor Lenny Robredo.
Salamat pong maray, Mayor, sa pag-squeeze in time this afternoon from your hectic schedule. Kasi arami po, Mayor Lenny will be having another appointment after this event. So at this point, Ems,
Yes, we now proceed with the continuation of our messages or our talk for this afternoon session. And now to guide us through the market access and export readiness, navigating domestic and international markets, let us welcome the CEO of Alea Chocolates, Miss Eileen K.